Hey folks, welcome back to another episode. So today I got me one of these Apple Pencil, but really not from Apple. Yeah, so if you can see right here, this is from another brand, and it actually looks just like a Apple Pencil 2. I've been looking at Apple Pencil 2 for a while, been meaning to get it because, well, I have an iPad that actually uses it. Well, it says that it will work just like the Apple Pencil 2, and so I figure let's go ahead and test it out. So this thing does have wireless charging, which surprised me because I thought that was a very Apple exclusive kind of thing where it wirelessly charge when you put it on top of the iPad. But from the picture that I've seen, it looks actually pretty incredible that they're able to do this. So let's see here. All right, here's the pencil. And so the two-way of charging this, wireless charging like I was telling you earlier, and then also you can do USB-C charging as well, which I believe that's what this is right here. Yeah, right there. So I'm going to go ahead and keep that closed. It feels good. It has that bump, not bump, but you know, how straight it is right here. So that when you put it down, it doesn't roll off the table, if you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, let's see what else is in here. All right, so you know what? Now that's over with, let's give this thing a test here. Okay, first off, the most interesting piece is I wanted to work on my iPad mini here. And then let's go ahead and start something up. Let's just do like a 4K, it doesn't matter. There we go. Okay, so then let's go and see here. As you can see, this doesn't work like this, all right? And it shows up pencil right here. I'm going to go ahead and tap that. So right there, Bluetooth pairing request, and go ahead and say yes to it, and it's now connected. Just like an Apple Pencil, it connects that way. Let's go ahead and open up Procreate. Okay, so I got me a canvas up right here, selecting pencil, yep, maybe a little bit bigger. Here we go. So let's see here. Okay. Let's go. I'm gonna put this down. Let's see if you guys can see this or not. Nope, you can't see that. Let's go ahead and write here. Looks good, right? Let's do some inking. Let's try how that works. So if I were to hold it like this, okay, that's interesting. When I go like, let's say if I were to put my hand on like this and start drawing, you see that's different. But then if I were to, here, let me see if I can angle this so you guys can see it. If I were to go like this, draw, and then look, if I angle, it's different. You see that? It's the ink splatter differently. So depending on how you angle your pencil, the ink is different. And by the way, I don't know if you guys noticed that or not, but my palm is on here while I'm writing here. See that? And it doesn't affect it at all. I can still use my regular stuff here. Let's go ahead and undo all of that. Palm, right. See that? Does not affect it at all. Look at that, my palm is still there. It's on it. See that? If I were to go like this, oh, right, and then if I were to angle it, it's a little bit different. You see that? It smudges. Do you see the smudge on this thing? You see that? When I'm angling it, it's different. That's incredible that we've come to something like this. That is amazing. And look, at the same time, the magnet still works. And it's wirelessly charging this pen, by the way. Wirelessly charging it as I'm doing this. Okay folks, so last but not least, I want to show you guys something real quick. So I have the Apple Pencil right here. It's still connected, right? So you see that? It's telling me that it's 77% right there. That's how much battery life that pencil has left. And yeah, it actually shows you the battery level right there because my Apple Pencil or my non-Apple Pencil is connected. That's pretty amazing that they can do that. That's the first that I've ever seen any other product was able to make it on to the battery level list. I mean, AirPod Pro and stuff like that connects it on there and then it tells you battery level, but I've never seen it done with another accessory from another manufacturer before. That's pretty cool. Anyway, yeah, so you can keep up your battery level right there as long as your Apple Pencil or this pencil is connected to it. Well, there you have it, folks. Apple Pencil, but not from Apple. That's incredible. Oh, man. Okay, folks, so that's it for me right there. That is the Apple Pencil, but not from Apple. Yeah, and it actually works on my iPad mini, the latest iPad mini. All right, and yeah, it's the one that is the kind that uses Apple Pencil 2. So I'm assuming that any device out there that uses Apple Pencil 2 is going to work with this pencil as well. It's got the magnet going. Yep. At the same time, I can actually plug in USB-C to charge it if I want to. I don't have to use the magnet to charge. That's pretty awesome. Anyway, that's it for me. I'm out of here.